Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alexa's Garden. In this video I want to show you my new perennial flowers that I will grow in my garden. These are Siberian irises. Siberian iris is a beautifully flowering perennial, which gave the world Asia. Most species of Siberian iris grow in Asia, in the cold climate zone, unlike the bearded iris, which is native to southern Europe. Siberian irises are very easy to grow if you live in a cool climate zone. I, for example, live in winter hardiness zone 5B. This plant can live in my garden. The Siberian iris can grow in hardiness zones 2 to 8 and can withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit in America, and as low as -40 degrees Celsius, -40 degrees Fahrenheit in Europe. If you use iris root mulch, you can grow this perennial even in Alaska. This season 1 bought Siberian iris roots already in December. It's a bit late, of course, but I'll show them to you now. This is Sibirica Don Waltz. This is Sibirica Moon Silk. And finally, another iris, Sibirica Mabel Code. I think you know that there are 3 types of irises. That is, these plants can have very different root systems. For example, bearded irises have roots like this. Dutch irises have a root bulb and begin flowering earlier than all types of irises, already in the spring. Siberian irises have a lobed root and bloom in June to July. They are the most unpretentious of all iris species and have the largest bush height, but the flower is slightly smaller in diameter than the bearded iris. Unlike many garden plants, Siberian iris feels great in moist, damp garden places. It has long, green, grass-like leaves, a tall stem, and the flowers can be both white and purple-blue, blue and sometimes yellow. Landscape designers are very fond of this perennial and grow it as an ornamental plant in temperate regions. Siberian irises can be planted in wet areas, by a lake, and near a pond, and the place will have a very beautiful look. If you care about your plants, choose a fertile, neutral, or slightly acidic soil. pH should be more than 5.6. It prefers sites in full sun, but can tolerate semi-shade. In very hot, very dry regions, watering and mulching are necessary. With insufficient watering, flowering will be scarce. Let's see together how beautifully Siberian irises grow in the garden. They can be used on water bodies next to pools, ponds, or streams. They also look beautiful in herbaceous borders and in mixed plantings with grasses and other perennials. They are sturdy plants and do not need to be tied up. The best time to plant Siberian irises is from midsummer to early fall. It is best to propagate them by division. Transplanting and dividing plants I usually do every 3 to 4 years, when the center of the bush dies off. I will plant irises now, look, and the root has already formed new young shoots. The plant feels that soon it will be spring. The stem of the iris should be buried about 2 inches into the soil so that the plant will take root more quickly in its new location. New plants are easy to grow, but they are slow to form flowering plants and may take up to 2 years to form flowering stems. Iris can also be grown from seed. Sow them directly outdoors in the fall or autumn. Plant new plants with the top of the rhizome 3 to 5 centimeters, 1 to 2 inches, below the soil surface. In particularly warm areas, seedlings should be kept moist for the next 6 to 8 weeks. A handful of fertilizer can be added to the plant in spring to improve flowering, or organic mulch can be added. Hybridizers and plant breeders have created many hybrids, and now we have a huge variety to choose from. I took advantage of that. I hope the video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up below the video. I'll see you soon.